Why we need lights when it's raining. Tips to help you drive safely. This is the view that van, truck and bus drivers will get out of their mirrors when it's raining. As you can see, the black car that's behind us is not very easy to see because he's got no lights on, and I can actually see the car behind him through his window with a light on. If this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, then click the subscribe button, ring the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive. Lights in these conditions are there for the benefit of other road users. If you were considering changing lanes at the moment and had a quick look in the mirror, would you see the black car before you change lanes? Or would you see the car behind that had lights on? This is why it's very important to use headlights while you're driving in this weather conditions. As the driver, it's your responsibility to ensure others can see you. So don't rely on automatic lights. If you have your wipers on continuous, then put your headlights on to dip beam. If you want to see more tips on how to drive safely, then check out the playlist on the top right hand corner of the screen. And this part of the clip is just to prove that you can see black cars so long as they've got lights on